hot as hell. Stop touching me. I'm hot as hell.
Break that back off that honey pack. You don't look like you want to break that back off that honey pack. Right?
What the kind of honey was that? Oh! What the kind of honey was that? What kind of honey was that? Jalapeno honey?
What's up, BT gang? It's your girl Tasha back with another freaking banger, y'all. I know y'all read that title. I know y'all saw that thumbnail. I know that y'all know that your girl is about to get that ass, y'all. Your girl is about to be getting Brock with replacing my fiance's honey pack with the world's hottest honey, y'all. It is about to be an epic freaking banger, because y'all already know how Team Tasha coming. Nothing but freaking bangers. But before we get into it, I'm gonna need y'all to make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe if you were new on the road to 200K, so smash it one time for your girl. Also, make sure you smash that post notification bell so you can be one of the first in them live premieres. You gotta make the bell go ring. Ding, dong, hey, rickety, ding, ding, dong. Smash the bell, y'all, and post notification gang. Post notification shout outs go to Aaron Green, Greta Sanders, Chelsea, PC2KC, and Will and D. Thank y'all so much for showing us so much love down in the comment section below. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. And if you would like a shout out in an upcoming video, just make sure your post notifications are set to on and you are hashtagging post notification gang down in the comment section below. Now let me tell you what your girl finna do. So y'all remember a few days ago, Brock had that little cute prank with the honey pack and your girl was hot. Your girl was hot. But after it ended, I had thought it had clicked. Something had clicked, right? And I told y'all in the comments, chillax, your girl got this. I'm just waiting on a little something. Something, y'all. It is about to be a banger, y'all. World's hottest honey in his honey pack. Not only are we finna light that ass up, we finna make him think he finna get some. He finna think he finna get some, but really, we just finna make that booty burn. Team Tasha down in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and let's go.
Much later.
All right, y'all, your girl is back and I got the goods. I got the good, y'all. I got the good, y'all. So we gotta make this quick. Brock went inside the liquor store. Also, I just came out before him, y'all. Ooh. It smell hot. Oh, it's gonna be hot. Okay, so let's hurry up, y'all. I got the goods, like I said. I'm gonna take this out. I think I'm just gonna pretend. I'm gonna pretend like it's not open, but I'm gonna open it for him. I gotta make sure I open it for him so that he don't know that it's already been opened. Now I gotta get this motherfucker open on. Okay, y'all, I'm finna pour it out. Okay, y'all, let's pour it out. Now, pour the honey in. World's hottest honey, y'all. Oh, wait, okay. I don't wanna fill it up too much. That's good. Woo, sister gotta hide her evidence, y'all. Sister gotta hide her evidence, hold on.
Much later.
Honey pack, he think he about to break this back, but he ain't. Oh, here he go.
Oh, schnitzel. Snappy wappy.
That line it got long, huh?
Long
I'll check it back. Oh, you got a honey bun?
Got you a honey bun.
Let me check it, it's okay. What kind of juice you got? Wait, before you take it down. Before you take your juice down. I got a little something for you. I got a little something for you.
Oh.
What's that?
A little honey pack?
You trying to break that back?
What, we gonna stay home?
Cause you know you gotta take that honey pack when you're about to break that back. I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
Shit, if I take that honey pack while we're in the car, we're gonna have to pull over and get it into the back seat.
It don't hit that fast.
How you know? It's a honey pack for man. Is it a honey for woman?
No, but I'm just saying.
Is that for you or for me?
That's for you.
Come on, man. I'm down, but you don't want to wait till we get to the house?
No, because all we going to do is get something to eat and then we going straight to the house. It shouldn't kick in before then. You going to get your meal in and then you going to get your dessert in, is what I'm saying. You ain't got to take it if you don't want it, Brock. If you scared.
I'm not saying I don't want it.
If you scared, just say that.
I'm saying let's do that shit. But I'm saying, are we going straight home? We got one more stop.
No, we going to get the food. We gonna go get something to eat, and then we going home.
I should just sprinkle that shit on top of my tacos then.
You stupid. This is not gonna be your taco with your dumb ass.
Which taco you want me to eat? That's the question.
Oh! Like he started to seduce me. You stupid. And I'm ready, babe. I thought you desired something special because you know your girl, her little monthly visitor was here.
Okay, well you been getting your exercise in?
My exercise.
I'm gonna be on brick for about 3.5 hours, man.
Oh! I've got it. All right. Ain't nobody worried about you.
Tasha, don't do it.
I can have you with
Don't
you.
be tapping out in 35 minutes.
It out.
Have me walk around with the brick for 3 hours and shit.
Out. I would not leave you with blue balls, babe. I would not. I wouldn't do you like that.
Take mine to the hospital. I had to get my shit
But for real though.
Okay, look. What you gonna put it in
Hold on,
here?
let me open it.
I might as well just put it in here. Shit. Yeah, let me just hit. I might as well just hit it. Take it straight to the neck. Bruh.
Here, I opened it.
I might as well take it straight to the neck.
Sticky.
Damn.
Well, it's honey. It should be
full of the motherfucker too.
Okay.
You sure?
Huh?
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. What you mean I'm not sure? I need to wipe my head.
I'm saying, whenever that shit go ping is when I'm going ding.
Make sure it don't ping before we leave the restaurant to get our food.
So what if we walking around at Del Taco and I'm sitting there with a boner?
You gonna stay in the car until I come back.
I'm gonna be here naked to the motherfucker when you get back.
You gonna get a ticket, babe.
Naked as hell, nigga. My mama.
They gonna call the police on your ass.
Get to the neck. Ooh, that's full. Ooh, okay, yeah. Cheers, buddy.
You stupid. Not cheers, babe.
Get cheese.
Go so I can go, y'all.
Oh, shit. You about to try to kill a nigga, right? Damn, Tasha.
I got this.
You dare to try to kill a nigga.
I got. You gonna take it like that?
Yeah.
Ain't you supposed to mix it in a juice?
So I'm gonna take it to the neck.
You
I'm
didn't
take it to the neck.
I thought you meant to the neck of your juice. I thought you meant to the neck of your neck.
What do? Ooh.
You alright?
What got a kick to it?
You got a kick?
They got a kick.
You got a kick?
Surprise, motherfucker.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I'm confused.
Oh.
You alright?
Oh, no, got a kick to it. It got a kick to it.
You got a kick?
Oh.
You okay?
Hold on. Oh.
Ah, you finna break that back.
I'm finna break that back.
Hey, you finna break that back. Ah. Hey, babe, we gonna have to, tell my daddy and we come get Noah tomorrow. I think that's gonna kick it and we gonna be up all night.
Nope.
We finna be up all night. Why
Hold
you
on.
sweating?
God. Dang. Oh, shit, that's hotter outside.
Damn, why we got the window down?
Oh.
We tripping. You okay?
Oh.
Why is you sweating?
Ooh, that shit ready. Oh, that shit. Hold up.
Hold up, what?
That shit, I must be ready to go right now. That go out of shit is steamy. We might pull over. Gotta get in while it's
Does
steamy.
not hit that quick.
Oh!
That does not hit that quick, Brock. You doing too much. Shut your ass.
Ooh!
You okay?
Hold on, we gotta pull over while it's steamy. Let's get it in.
What you mean pull over while it's steamy?
Hold up. God damn.
What does that even mean? Brock. Watch out.
Oh! My back of my throat.
You okay?
Oh!
You alright? You got this?
Oh!
I'm going to this motherfucker right here.
Damn, hold up.
You okay?
That's a little too steamy.
But you're about to break that back off that
Hold on. You hot as hell. Stop touching me. I'm hot as hell.
Break the back off that honey pack. You don't look like you want to break that back off that honey pack. You alright?
What the fuck kind of goddamn honey was that? What the fuck kind of honey was that? What kind of honey was that? Jalapeno honey? What the fuck was that? Oh!
What you mean?
Oh, hold up. God damn, you got my hat. Ooh! Put over!
need pull over. We not finna do it right now, Brock.
Pull up.
No, I'm not pulling over. You ain't finna
Stop
know.
pull up.
Hold on. We got a bed at home. We got a door we can close. We
Open
going
the
to
door.
the house. Hey, what is wrong with you?
Oh, shit.
Is this side effect to the honey pack? You okay?
No, hell.
Can you still break that back off the honey pack? Or is that a no-go now?
Hell no. If that's your pussy, the ice cube, I ain't touching it. Oh, that. Oh. No. Oh, I don't freaking hit on.
What you mean ain't no freaky shit going on?
Spectre. Tasha, that was not a hundred.
Huh? What's wrong?
Oh,
You gonna break that back off that honey
you got that from the Indian store?
Huh?
Spicy ass.
What you mean? Haitian honey pack? What you mean? You okay?
This is hot. Don't touch it.
Break that back
Oh.
off the honey pack.
Oh! Stop!
You okay?
Pull up.
Why would I pull over, bro?
Can I get in the top of the head? I didn't run it out. Huh? Can I get in the top of the head? I didn't run it out.
I don't know what you just said.
I didn't run it out.
You gotta run it off.
I didn't run it out.
Oh, you gonna run it? You gonna do what you do in this thing?
Touch me, man. Your fucking hands is 98.9 degrees, motherfucker.
What you mean?
You hot as hell.
So niggas, you turning me down? Is you saying you ain't finna break that back off that honey pack?
Tasha, what the fuck kind of honey was that, man?
What? What you mean? What kind of honey is it? Honey pack honey. A gold. The honey pack honey.
Huh?
Shit. Do they got different flavors and shit? I don't know. I just got the flavor that the store had.
What honey? The fuck is this? Oh, damn! I'm fucking shit. My good fucking pimp right now. God.
Break that back off that honey pack.
Oh.
You okay, babe? What is you? I don't even know what you okay? What the?
Something in this room is hot.
You alright? Hey.
Huh?
What's going on?
Cool down.
Huh? You gotta get your tongue
I gotta let my tongue cool down.
Your cook?
My tongue cool. You don't fucking trying to say?
I don't. That's why.
Man, that shit hot as hell, dog. You ain't getting no dang-a-lang. Why is that shit so damn hot here? You take this shit, man.
Cause I don't know what that's gonna do to. I'm a woman. That's for men's. I am a woman.
Tasha, you already got chest hair. What more can you get?
I got one little hair.
On your nipples. That's chest hair for women.
You got titties. We talking about flaws. Let's talk about flaws then. You got titties. Shit, I got you the woman honey pack? What the fuck we talking about?
Open out that mouth.
I'm not tasting that. I don't want that shit.
Open your
I
mouth.
don't know why you would taste that. You didn't even need a honey
What
pack.
the fuck you mean? What? Cause you told me to take it. You was freaky ass nigga. Pull off. You about to suck some dick. I'm gonna
freaky ass nigga.
Pull up,
69
Tasha.
guy.
Tasha, pull up.
Freaky ass nigga.
You gonna have me take this high ass shit? You about to suck on some damn balls.
Hey, come on, sir. Run for your life. Hey. What?
Shut up! Pull over! You about to suck some dick? You gonna have me eat this high ass shit? You gonna finish suck some dick? Come on, pull over!
I'm not sucking dick right here, bro. We finna get out and get some food, but I ain't sucking dick right here. And I don't want your tongue on my kitty cat because it's gonna be on fire. Ain't nobody trying to do all that. Okay, wait. Let me tell you something. Where you going? What is you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
Go out to the back seat, man.
Babe, your mouth is on fire.
You want to do some hot chili pepper pussy?
Babe!
Come on, come on.
You not finna put no.
You not finna give me a honey pack. Tasha, come on, man. Bring your ass to the back.
I didn't give you a honey pack, Brock.
You didn't give me a honey pack.
I didn't give you a honey pack.
You sound dumb as hell. Bring your ass back.
You didn't even take a honey pack, Brock. Shut up. What you did take is the world's hottest honey. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 guy. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 guy. Hey, run for your life. Hey, run for your life.
They got hot,
Yep, and
hot, hard, honey.
with habanero chili peppers. That's what you took. So you ain't even gotta worry about giving me none, cause like you wasn't getting none tonight anyway.
So you gonna ask for some head and burn my whole tongue off?
Huh?
You gonna ask for head and burn my whole off?
Cause remember you had a empty honey pack in the car the other day? Remember? And it was cute and it was funny, right? Right? It was cute. Yeah. You had an empty honey pack? Yeah. You thought you was finna get some? Your booty gonna burn tonight. Oh! Your booty gonna burn tonight.
Take me on. I'm not going back to the front.
BT gang!
Say all you want to. I'm gonna put my meat in between your tacos.
You know how your girl get down. You know it's always Team Tasha just epic freaking got scared for a minute, bitch. Okay, epic freaking bangers, y'all. Freaking bangers. Y'all know how your girl gets down. Team Tasha down in the comment section below because y'all see how I'm coming. I'm talking to my people. I love y'all, BT gang. Get to the 1K likes and bye y'all.
Best friend, you're my best friend. I'ma spend it on her 'cause she all